There's a magician process. There's a process going from mule to magician. Don't think because you buy the book, Magician vs. Mule, that you're going to become the magician overnight. This is a process. You have to create a bridge. You have to create this. Do you understand how many decisions I had to make to get in the seat? Real decisions. I'm not talking pussy decisions. I'm talking real decisions. Life-altering, life-changing decisions for myself. This is why businesses fail. You try to over-automate. You're over-automating nothing. You have the best CRM under the moon. There's one fucking person in it, and it's your mom. I don't care how great the automation is. I don't care if you have the best business card, the best business name, the best website design. You're broke. You're washed up. You're dead in the water. You have no business acting like you're in business. When does it stop? What are you afraid of? Really, what are you afraid of? Do you think you making $100,000 a year is a lot of money in business? It's not. Someone said it earlier, and I say it all the time. You'll never, ever build a business bigger than you. If you don't develop, nothing you're trying to do will develop. It can't. It won't. You can write down. This is why I'm not big into like some people like, oh, dude, I'm going to do dreams. I'm going to buy the Cavs. You can't even fucking pay your mortgage. How are you going to buy the? Listen, there's a difference with being dreaming and being, psycho, irrational weirdo. You understand that, right? There's a massive difference. That's why I don't tell people to go build out a dreams list, because most of you are only dreaming, not doing anything to get to the dream. What if the journey was the process? What if you actually bought into the value of the journey? What if the journey was the destination that you're actually really trying to seek? Every day you get better. Like, open your bank account. Look at what's going on in your bank account. You can say how hard you work. You can say how much value you provide to the market. If your bank account's at zero, you're a fucking liar. Even Mother Teresa had to get money to help what she wanted to do, her dream, her goals, her vision. Do you understand? You have to change your mind to get what you really want. If you got what you already wanted, stay at it. But the truth is, once you got it, there's more. And if you already had the mindset to get it, you would already have it, wouldn't you? Don't you think eventually at 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 years old, you have an awakening saying, shit, maybe that guy's right? Maybe it is me. Maybe it is you. How is it when I meet people, they have 7 companies and they're always broke? Is it because you want to be cool and say you own a company? Why your wife sits in the back room crying because she knows you're a liar? Why your kids watch mom and dad fight about money, but you tell everyone in real life that, oh, I got money, man, I'm crushing it. No, you're not. You're a liar. You will get called out eventually by the people that matter the most, the ones that love you, your family and your kids. They're going to call you out eventually. They know you're lying. You know you're lying. Why not stop it now? Why not get back into the trenches and show them what hard work really is?
Kevin's DM, I'm here to help and teach them what I know and how I did it. To discover freedom, there ain't no question more Kevin's when he step in the door.